Welcome to English Learn with Zohan. Time 5 seconds for each question. Good luck. Subscribe now and never stop learning. Learn smart. Are you ready? Let's begin. Question 1. She now playing in the garden? Correct answer is option A. Question 2. They are going to school every day. Correct answer is option B. Question 3. I make a student. Correct answer is option B. Question 4. We all happy yesterday. Correct answer is option D. Question 5. He bow us to the market now. Correct answer is option B. Question 6. My brother thought I would cricket on Sundays. Correct answer is option B. Question 7. She has a boa books in her bag. Correct answer is option A. Question 8. There are behind a pen on the table. Correct answer is option A. Question 9. They have lived here for 2015. Correct answer is option B. Question 10. The sun. Das in the east. Correct answer is option B. Question 11. She was Sal reading a book now. Correct answer is option A. Question 12. They have Bimas going to the park. Correct answer is option B. Question 13. I la happy today. Correct answer is option B. Question 14. We are friends since childhood. Correct answer is option D. Question 15. He bomb our football every Sunday. Correct answer is option B.